Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean my makeup brushes by simply using soap and water. Deep cleaning your makeup brushes prevents you from transferring bacteria from your brushes into your makeup products or from your brushes to your face, and it prevents you from transferring bacteria from one client to another. I find this the most simple and effective way to deep clean my brushes. So the best soap I love to use is my Irish Spring. It smells so good. Apart from that, it's really effective in ensuring that I have clean brushes all the time. So I have my foundation brush. I'm going to be starting with my foundation brush. You can see how much of the foundation I have on that. So you're going to be seeing in a moment how I do that. So firstly, you have to what I do usually, I like to wet my soap first and then I wet my brush. You can use, here I use the cold water, just so I ensure the water gets into my brush and it will be easy for me to get it soap to get into the brush. So you're going to rub the brush on the soap and you keep rubbing it to ensure that every nook and cranny of the brush has the soap in it. So that way it's going to deep clean the brush to take out all the makeup products that you have in there. So you keep doing that. You take your time to ensure that your makeup brush is properly cleaned. I'm just taking my time to show you right here. Usually it doesn't take this long time to do it, but I'm just trying to show you how you have to rub it around just so you can have a clean brush and all that. Now, I have tried several soap, and trust me, most of them you just keep rubbing and it doesn't do any good job at all. So that's why I've been sticking to my Irish Spring. Sorry, they did not pay me to do this, but I'm just telling you what works for me. So now you have to rinse off the soap from your brush. You see how I'm rinsing it properly to ensure that the whole of the soap is out from the brush. So see, I'm showing you there's no more makeup product that is left on the brush. I clean the handle just so I have clean handles as well as having clean brushes. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you, and right here if you see that you have clean water, it shows you that there is no products in your brush any longer. Also, I'm going to be showing rubbing this on a clean towel to show you that no makeup brush and product is left on my brush. So you can see that it's all clean. Yeah, so no makeup product is seen there. So you don't have to do this. It's just my own way of showing you that this is a very good method to clean your makeup brush. Yeah, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and everything. So right again, I'm going to be showing you another brush. This is my eyeshadow brush, and you can see that it's so dirty. I have a lot of eyeshadow on that brush. And then again, you're going to rub it on your soap, and this one is even like very fast because it's a smaller brush. The other one was bigger, so the smaller your brush, the less time it takes you to wash it. So right now this one is so small, and then obviously it's going to be cleaned in no time. So can you see that the brush is already clean? It looks so clean. I mean, that took a few seconds, right, to get the makeup the eyeshadow out of the brush. Again, I'm going to be showing you on the clean towel that this is like absolutely free of any eyeshadow and all of that. Yeah, so yeah, just a closer look for you to see that. Yeah, so you can try this method. You can use any soap of your choice. Like I said, I personally prefer the Irish Spring. And then look at that, see, there's no more eyeshadow left on the brush. Yeah, so you can go ahead and use a paper towel, a kitchen towel. If that's what you have, you can use a towel, and you can hair dry to make sure they are all dry. So yeah, I went ahead to clean the rest of my brushes, and they are all looking clean and they smell so good. So please let me know if you're going to try this method, and leave in the comment section whatever method you use. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until I see you again.